everyone, welcome to Vijay Chemistry. And today class we are going to discuss about what? Isomerism. Okay, what are the important classification? So what is the difference between constitutional, configuration, and conformation isomerism? Okay. And first I go in to give the definition. Please note what is mean isomerism. Very important concept. Please note what is mean isomerism. Please note the same molecular formula, same molecular formula, but different physical and very important physical and chemical property, physical and chemical properties. They call isomerism. Chemical properties. Please note properties. Now the isomerism classify what? The important three type, right? What are the important three type? Please note. Very important our stereochemistry point of view. Please note. And first classification, that is called constitutional isomer. What is the first classification? Constitutional or structural isomer? Constitutional isomer. Constitutional isomer. You also call what? You also call structural isomer. Structural isomer. Okay. And second classification on configuration, very important one. Configurational isomer. Configurational isomer, also called what? Stereoisomer. This is stereoisomer. Okay. And that definition, that okay, what is that one? Conformational isomer. That one, conformational isomer. Okay. Now see. So what is mean conformational isomer? Always what? Whenever the compound undergo the carbon, okay, single bond, very important. Carbon, the single bond rotation, they known as what? The conformational isomer. For example, I take this one. Okay, I take what? I take eclipse form. How do I convert to staggered form? I fix this one. I'm going to rotate the molecule, right? Therefore, I will get this one, right? This is known as what? The carbon. See, what is the best example? Chair form, right? Cyclohexane, the chair form. They convert to what? Boat form, right? This what? This is the conformational isomer. What is conformational isomerism? The carbon, the single bond rotation. What is considered isomer? What is the classification? First one, we very want to positional isomer, very important, please note. Positional isomer. Second one, the first one. Second one, functional isomerism. And third important exam point of view, what is very important? Tautomerism, very important. Tautomerism. And the fourth one, metamerism. And fifth one, ring chain isomerism. Listen, in among which is most important, the tautomerism, based on question asking. Okay, based on tautomerism, the question asking exam. Okay. Now, what is configuration isomer? Two class, very important two class. Please note. One is what? Geometrical as well as optical. Please note. One is geometrical isomerism. And next one is what? Next one is optical isomerism. Very important. Optical isomerism. Okay. Please note. Okay. I will give the detailed explanation next slide. Okay. What is the difference between the constitutional and configuration? Okay. See. First one. Please note what is mean constitutional versus configuration. Very important. Please note. What is called constitutional isomer? Constitutional isomer. What is called configuration isomer? What is called configuration isomer? Simple. See. Look carbon atom. Okay. Look for this one. Okay. Look carbon atom. Central atom, right? Carbon atom. If the connectivity of carbon atom, the connectivity of atom is different, we call constitutional isomer. Understand? I give an example. See, I take this example. Okay. Here COH group. Here CHO. Okay. Here Br. Here hydrogen. Here Cl. Here hydrogen. Okay. I take one more molecule for difference. Okay. I'm going to do difference. Here COH. Here CHO. So in this case, here Cl, Here Br, here H and H. Now see, which is number one? This first one, right? This is the first one. This is 2. This is 3. This is 3. This is 4. Similarly, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Look the second carbon. What is the connectivity? Br, COH, H, and this group, right? Now see this connectivity. See connectivity. What will happen? Yes, COH and Cl, right? CLH, right? Therefore, this carbon containing what? Br, COH, H. This carbon Cl, COH. What is the difference? The Br is Cl different. Therefore, what? The second portion, the connectivity is different, right? Therefore, this two, what is the relation? It's a constitutional isomer. Understand? Look the central carbon atom. If the connectivity is different, we call what? Constitutional isomer. So, what is the configuration isomerism? Same. Okay, look, chiral carbon. Look, chiral carbon. Chiral carbon. If connectivity is same, very important. If the connectivity is same, same, but the spatial distribution is different, very important. But the spatial distribution or arrangement, okay, spatial arrangement is different. I give the example. Arrangement is different. See, okay, I take the same molecule. Okay, I give the definition. Here same. Here COH group. Here COH group. Here CH. This portion Cl. Here H. Here Br. Here H. Okay, I take this one. Now see. Here COH. Here H. Here Cl. Okay. Here Br. Here H. Here CH. Okay. Now see. Now do the numbering. What is numbering one? This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Right. Similarly, this is 1. This is 2. This is 3 and 4. In the molecule, 2 and 3 chiral carbon. Right. Now see. In second carbon, here Cl. Here hydrogen. COH. This also are. Here OH. COH. Here H. And what is the difference? Cl on right side this compound and Cl on left this one. It's a spatial distribution. Understand? I mean same connectivity. See, look this carbon. Inga Cl atom. Inga COH. Hydrogen. Right. Inga H. Inga COH. Cl. What is the difference? In this molecule, Cl on right side. For this molecule, Cl left side. Our same connectivity and different what? The spatial distribution we call what? Configuration isomer. Now understand? Now what is the conformation isomer? The carbon-carbon, the single bond rotation. So our never jam exam point of view and CSR, which is very important in constitutional isomer. The tautomerism is very important, other than basic one. Okay. The study NEET and JEE exam all are important in part of what? In part of JAM and TRB exam, which is very important. Now the tautomerism only very important in the structural isomer. Okay. I'm going to discuss what is the difference, what is the classification in geometrical and optical. Okay, see one by one. Now, very important classification. Please note. Now see. Now stereoisomer. Stereoisomer. What is stereoisomer? Configuration isomer. Stereoisomer also called as configuration isomer. The configurational isomer. They classify two types. What are two types? One is geometrical, one is optical. Okay. And first one. What is first one? Geometrical isomer. Geometrical isomer. They are classified different type. What is first type? Well-known example. Cis and trans isomer, right? Cis and trans. And second one, E is a isomer. Endogenous Zuman. E is a isomerism. And third one, and syn and anti, right? And fourth one, an exo-endo. They are what? They are geometrical isomers. Very important. Okay. Now. What is most important? Optical, please note. Optical isomerism. Optical isomerism. Isomerism. What is optical isomerism? Listen, if light, okay, light what? Light, okay, deviation. Light undergo deviation. Okay, whenever what? The plane process light undergo what? The deviation, either clockwise rotation or as well as what? Anti-clockwise rotation. We call this what? Optical isomerism, right? This classify important lesson. Important. See, look the molecule first. Look the molecule. Okay. Look the molecule. See the mirror image. Very important. Mirror image. Mirror image. Okay. If mirror image is yes or no, two different. Right? Say either molecule or both molecule containing what? Mirror image or no. Even yes mean here no. Whenever the two molecule is not mirror image, now we simply call what? We simply call diastereoisomer. What is called? Diastereoisomer. Understand? Okay. If two molecular mirror image, then classify two types. or two types. One is superimposable or superimposable, superimposable, impossible, or non-superimposable, non-superimposable, impossible. If the molecule contain mirror image, okay, the both molecule containing both molecule are superimposable, we call what? We call this called identical molecule. Which molecule? Identical. Suppose the two molecules non-superimposable, we call what? Enantiomer. Enantiomer. Very important, okay. And upcoming class, I will give all the definition with the examples, okay. Very simple. Okay, what is stereoisomerism? Same connectivity but different the spatial distribution, right? They are classified two types. One is what? Geometrical. One is what? Optical. What is geomerism? See, the carbon double bond, right? This type of molecule what can show what? Geomerism, right? Yes or no? What is first classification? Cis and trans, and second E is what is E na integer, is it not Zuzuman? Okay, see E na Zuzuman, cis like, not cis, okay, cis like. Integer, trans like, not trans, like. This cis anti and exo-endo. And stereoisomerism or opticism, look the molecule, the both molecule contain mirror image na. Yes, na, we class two types, okay. Compare the two molecules. If the both are superimposable, na, we call identical. Non-superimposable, na, enantiomer. The molecules never mirror image to each other, na, we call what? Diisomerism. Okay, this is a basic one. The introduction and definition of difference between the isomerism. Okay, I hope you understand, and thank you so much for watching. Upcoming video, I am going to discuss about what all the isomerism in detailed manner. And tada, bye bye. Take care.